It's more than cloth. It's more than stars and stripes. The American flag has stood in the smoke of battle, waved over triumph, and even sparked debate about what freedom really means. Each stripe, each star, tells a story of a nation forged in fire and ideals. But do you know the full story behind the flag you see every day? The American flag, red, white, and blue, is one of the most recognized symbols in the world. But it wasn't just designed for decoration. Every color and star carries meaning. Red represents courage, white stands for purity, and blue symbolizes vigilance and justice. Yet, the flag's story is not just about symbolism. It's about battles, unity, and the people who fought to defend it. The first official American flag was adopted on June 14, 1777, by the Continental Congress. Its design, 13 stripes for the original 13 colonies and 13 stars for the new constellation of states. Legend credits Betsy Ross with sewing the first flag, though historians debate the details. Regardless, that flag became a beacon of hope during the Revolutionary War. The flag didn't stay in the halls of Congress. It went into battle. During the War of 1812, Fort McHenry held strong against the British bombardment. Francis Scott Key, witnessing the flag still flying over the fort, was inspired to write what would become the Star-Spangled Banner. In every subsequent conflict, from the Civil War to the World Wars, soldiers carried the flag into battle, seeing it as a symbol of courage, unity, and the ideals worth dying for. The American flag also reflects the nation's struggles. During the Civil War, the Union fought to preserve the flag and the ideals it represented, while the Confederacy had its own banner. For Union soldiers, the flag wasn't just cloth. It was the embodiment of the fight to end slavery and preserve the nation. Each tattered flag that survived a battlefield became a cherished relic of resilience and hope. Over the years, the flag has evolved. More stars were added as new states joined the Union, reflecting America's growth. Yet, the flag has never been just a symbol of victory. It's also been a symbol of protest. From the civil rights movement to anti-war demonstrations, Americans have waved it to demand justice, equality, and accountability. In some ways, the flag has always represented not just the country we are, but the country we strive to become. Think of Iwo Jima, 1945, Marines raising the flag amid destruction. Or Apollo 11, 1969, the flag planted on the moon. These moments transform the flag from a symbol of a nation to a symbol of human achievement and perseverance. Each wave of the flag tells a story of courage, sacrifice, and hope for a better tomorrow. The flag hasn't always united. Debates over its display, burning as protest, and what it represents have sparked controversy. But perhaps this tension is part of its power. The American flag forces the nation to confront itself, reminding everyone that freedom comes with responsibility, debate, and reflection. So next time you see the stars and stripes, remember, it's not just a symbol. It's history stitched into fabric. It's battles, victories, protests, and ideals. It's the story of a nation, ever-changing but always striving. The American flag is more than a banner. It's the living memory of America itself. Every wave of the flag tells a story. What story does it tell you?